160 and bun, sir. Me never see 160 bun somebody so yet.
So guys, I tell you, so nobody else can help out.
You know, say Tanji no know that page.
Yes, man, I'm good. Oh, Tanji have gloves over there for you too.
Tanji no know that page.
Hold on, so yesterday after oh.
While me and Maya read, no, me and Miss Triple. Me and Miss Triple the reason I get the banana.
And somebody reported there. Hey, that smoke or something?
No, I want fat fuck with. You know how, but that's not necessary. It's okay.
Fat fuck.
Maya, my friend, you don't remember much reasoning we will see they can shoot TJ for me now, please.
Guys, you go and double tap my side. Guys, you can share the life to some of my people. Let me share my life. Let me hear
share
about
the life to
life.
Maya for me, my side, please.
You want me to share the life to Tanji?
Yeah. Yeah, share for your life.
I know Tanji's probably have a gloves to me.
Share for your life to Tanji for me, please.
Tanji have a gloves to me now. Watch out, I say our quotes. I'm share my life. No, I'm not sure because I come over your side.
Share your life to them.
So I come over your side. Guys, I'm not snipe this, but watch out for this snipe. I know where my talk, man. I'm not slow. I fuck with him. Guys, watch out for the little snipe though. I'm gonna say Coco. Remember say Coco over there.
Coco no over here, dog.
The Coco there na number 2 bubble. You can't trick me. I say her face.
I wish school you and Coco did go here now.
I nah tell you. Mom, I shouldn't use the gloves. Can I no gloves? Guys, cover some Anna don't up on the gloves, guys. Just in case. Yeah, me know Coco a bad shooter for true, man. You should not snipe today. Should not snipe. Maya, thank you. Also, we get nothing shit on Miss alone.
Thank you very much.
Guys, one more and him get 6, guys. One more.
Which part? You come over here with 1 nuggets. Okay, the Jamaican chocolate.
Alright, Maya, later. Guys, we're gonna need everybody now. Please, come on.
The last one is me I play with you too. I'm not taking a 6 today. I can play a 5.
Come on, Mr. Everybody power tap, guys.
Most me can't wait, we win players 5.
Everybody power tap, guys. Everybody power tap, guys.
So I tap up this for me, please. Yo, 29k on the tappings.
Come on, Mr. Everybody power tap. Guys, we need some taps, please. We need everybody to tap the screen. We can change him there. No, you're not gonna change. We're not playing name change, you know. Nobody can make me change my name. I want to change him in a 1 week to have a safer. And can't change until those 7 days done.
How over there so me fi change my name?
They must say me Gage 6 ever change your name.
So much people here, block.
Alright, my side. This is a times 3, guys. We could say we can get lucky upon it. Everybody power tap, guys. Everybody power tap. 4 person, 1 rose. Guys, 4 different person, 1 rose. Guys, we need 200 of we guys. 4 different person, 1 rose. 2 more rose, guys.
Scorpio,
this is the last one. I could go over my side. This is the last one. 1 more rose. 1 more rose, are we good?
Frank, I deal with the Godfather.
Alright. Thank you, guys. Everybody was sending rose. My side, this is wait for Maya, she's not here. Anything we send her times 3. Please use the times 3 for me, please. Come on, my side. Guys, anybody else? Just work together now, please. At 200 a winner, guys. Work together.
Times 3. Shoot on the triple. Okay, thank you very much.
Coco come back. Guys, do you use the times 3 for me now, please?
Straight Ireland, big up yourself. Scorpio. Roxy,
Money, thank you. Guys, anything for the times 3 go triple up, you know?
Sitting over there, we are going to carry them go up in a 120 at K. Or some bullshit.
Guys, not here. You can't just work together, please. Don't make it like a one shoot alone no have. Thanks to the Anat. DAD, thanks to the Rose. Anything on Africa times 3 guys. Bombard, man, I meant to take the streaks them.
Yeah, we didn't know.
Bumbleclot!
We didn't know.
Who is that? Brit! So like you level up.
I know somebody now go find me over here now. God damn it.
Brit, thank you. Right, we're going back at top 7.
I'm lucky, you're lucky. I hate you for that. I'm 9, I'm lucky, you're lucky.
How much you end with? How much you end with?
Amaya, me did I go pass yesterday. She did on the podium, man. She the number 3 and me the number 4 yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, but you're going to get it back. You will get it. Oh, you're probably going to get it.
And I'll get it back next week, tomorrow, before live for you.
Bad man, make up your mind. You know you say go college, you mix up next week with tomorrow.
I said next week, tomorrow, you don't know code talk.
No, sir, I don't know that. I went to college, so we only know the 7 days.
Next week, yesterday, it up for you.
I don't know what that means.
Next week, yesterday. What was it?
Can I use the old page and share it to the new one?
What was it? What?
Them say can you still use the old page and share the live?
To who?
I don't know who's to ever.
Share me. If you share to me, but to me real page, yeah? Come job so lion over here, that me fi do. Share to me page.
Oh, next week Tuesday, but today not Tuesday, today Wednesday. Yes, thank you, 2 away again. Thank God I like. The phone number I say last one. Guys, you know watch out, you know. When I trust it, this is the last one. Remember, say Coco, you could face over the same way. You see who that is number 1. Roxy. In can't send himself no lion, you know. That will be cheating.
When me send you, come Ross take you back. When me send you, when you see you run up on my screen, you're turning
He
back.
not said no lion, guys. He not said no lion. He can't shoot for himself. You want to disqualify?
Eh?
And he shoot for himself, you get disqualified.
Here, oh, me can't find me. So me can't find my page.
Your page banana. MVP 1 Brit star. Money, thank you so much. Brit get her gloves. Renee DAD. Natural not. Pick up yourself.
Why me can't see
You
me?
got it now.
Eh?
You want the last one to get the 6 hour?
Me nah rob you with your 6 man. Roxy, Coco, Straight All, him Sasha Style, Slogan, K, Scorpio, Empress.
If we win that one, yeah, a 6 him get.
Oh,
I think him might get still like a clean skin or go on. Guys, if we win that one and get the 6 now.
And make sure you send that. Look who sent 2 rows this a while ago, TJ. Look.
I'm gonna see it.
Look here. Look who in our bubble.
Oh,
in a ghost bomb. You're dead.
no, I see it. Gage, I can't. Watch out, the man said it. Gage, remember me have my backup page too, you know.
You're not back up for back up.
All right.
And hey, yo, bad man. That's video something. I rose them when me send still a come in.
Guys, everybody power tap, guys.
Yo, how me na bubble up as I mean a ghost?
Yeah, you fucker, yo. I'm gonna say myself. I'm gonna say, well, club on the kinds man it.
You know me na ghost. Where the fuck this?
What a man lucky. I'm come over, come look where I go on. You ain't no ghost, but see you over there.
Which part you see me?
Guys, see the speed on my side. See the speed and try to catch the speed. This is a times 3. If we win that one, him get 6. If we win this, him get 6, guys. 5 person 1 rose. Well, me over there with my next fish. We see if we gonna shoot. 5 person 1 rose.
time. I can get 5 rows, please. Chris
Please,
B.
I'm carrying my B over there too.
Man.
2 more rows to catch his speed, guys. We're gonna need it. We're gonna need it at times 3. Alright, Roxy Brick, thank you. Will you come over here for brother? Guys, triple, guys, triple. Triple, guys, triple my side, triple.
Guys, shoot for the triple for me, please.
Guys, shoot for the times 3, shoot for the times 3.
Hey, me use the triple for me, please.
My side, them are gonna snipe big enough, shoot for the times 3. Don't make him tell the streaks, them.
Use the triple for me, please.
Come on, on my side, at 200 with my side. Everybody
Oh,
come
God,
on some
big up
donut,
yourself.
anything, and that.
Say
Money,
shoot.
thank you.
Bam, pan the triple.
Come on, my side, guys. So the shoot for the times 3 now, guys, please.
Yeah, bam, pan the triple.
Guys, I'm gonna snipe it my side. If I ever want gold mine, I'm money gun something, guys. A wheel, something. Harlem, thank you, guys. Everybody have to shoot for the times 3, guys. Remember, so we don't have no gloves, so we use our waist.
Who you big up oil?
Money. Come on, my side.
Oh, you must see that glitch.
Oh my God. Guys, the shoot. Jesus
Chance!
Christ, guys. Guys, somebody carries the times 3.
Snipe this, them.
Oh my God.
Coco!
I'm telling the Coco over there, don't never believe me.
Chance! Voluptuous!
Jesus Christ. I want that chance too. No, that no fear. You can't have chance on Coco one time.
Say thanks not TJ.
That no fear. That no. I don't want no damn rose try. I don't want no damn rose.
TJ say thanks no.
I don't want a rose, brother. I don't want a damn rose.
You know you're not fear you.
Coco, you can't snipe this back. Sniper, what? Please.
Which Coco?
Not Coco. You hear me say Coco, Melon. You can't snipe. Melon, you can't snipe this, please. Hey, Lion, where you come over here for, brother? Where you come over here for? Melon, you have 50 seconds to think about it. Oh, we have our gloves. Guys, okay, I use the gloves. Wait, drop your gloves at 30 seconds. We'll see if somebody can try something.
So
Guys, you really make you beat him so much and then I make him come beat you back.
Try nothing here. Watch if them a go try nothing here. Me no business.
30 seconds.
I'm tell you saying that hungry. That good. My side. Watch this.
Come on, my side. Come on, my side.
Still have DM where I tell you that. So that's soft. Glad she belly full now. My side, do this to me.
Jeez, I'm Brick guy with the glove. See the glove. Guys, shoot for the gloves. Come on, some money gun, guys.
Side, watch
Guys,
them.
you can't try something on the gloves, please. Guys, don't make the gloves go 2 years. Just try something on it now, guys. Anything at all. You don't know who might try back.
I'm a plan for do it.
The gloves waste to start. Jaja.
Side, them a snipe.
Great, see them, that one the connect, you know.
Like a snipe.
Just little help we did need. Bad star. Coco that late. Jeez, Coco, thank you. You know, Coco, if it's an intercessor, Coco, you couldn't make it catch your gloves.
There was no friggin' interstellar. Hello, Ella, I'll think about it.
Yo. John was
Teacher, you not tell me thanks.
Thanks for what? Thanks for what? Man,
Me
go on
over
there,
there,
man.
Coco, thank you very much. Voluptuous V. Chance.
Big up your damn self. Islander, big up yourself. Money,
Oh,
straight Harlem, boss
DC
girl.
Island girl. Straight Harlem,
Tommy.
Chop City, Kels.
All who power top, guys. All who power top. Big up yourself, guys.
Thank you very much.
Boy, TV straight. We are give him 6 one day, man. One idea them. One idea them. We are catch him.
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Man, you can go on now. We write down your name in the 6 book. You have to get a 6.
From who?
Don't worry yourself. When we call you, just be prepared.
Who?
Who is there for play now, guys? Yes, you're going to get a 6.
Now go over here and go and chill. Probably Maya will circle me. We have real smoke. This.
Alright, go on. So come off to say you will know, say, from come off, you know what time it is.
You want me come off now and go over there, go turn a living hell tomorrow?
Don't worry yourself. Go and do what you do. We come.
Can on my side. Okay, this something I want to do. We depend some different kind of something. I tell them what I want to do. You see? Let's not say nothing about it. Everybody will just shoot up the place. Thank you all very much. Love and love alone. Chance, thank you very much. Look, I'm not proud of me, true, me love it. Pussy clot. Yo, me love that. Me love how no proud of me. You know, negativity. Yo, me just looking at my phone screen and see one John Crusher that fly. Mary, thank you very much. Pastor saying, real Chad. Yes, Chad is not on all that bullshit, you know. Chad just want to come here, vibes with the people, and that's it. That is that, you know. We don't really talk about certain things. Remember, there are people out there who don't like us. But at one time, you know what I mean? We were somebody they could lean on. You get what I'm saying? We are still here solid as a rock. You know what I mean? Other people is going to want to come and lean. Hold on. Pretty Bay. Pretty Bay, why make you black Mary? Pretty Bay, why make you mute Mary? How Mary do? Mary not just shoot up 2 money gun. What occur? Oh. How Mary did say? You know, I didn't realize it. I saw that shirt at on. Oh, it's done. Oh, yeah, Mary, we don't really do too much of that. What's happening now is a lot of people want. You know what I mean? We saying certain things about people is like a passport to fly out. You know what I mean? So, we will not give them no stamps in the passports. You know? We still got there and stay so. You see me? Yeah, man, we have to allow certain things. No stamps. Yeah, there will be no flying. It's a no-fly zone. You see me? Yeah, it's a no-fly zone. You see me? Certain things you don't really depend, man. You see me? I don't know, I'm a type. Me have a type, me chip. I say what I'm saying, and then the next day, me there like, yo, like me step straight off the runway. You know what I mean? Straight off the runway, me have my time. Me have my time. Guess who the fuck it is? Some people over here who never watch Man in Black. Alright, what we are going to do here now is, if you don't have a glass, I want you to put the glasses on. You see me? I'm going to check this and make sure it's working. Give me a second. You don't ever watch Man in Black? Yes. What we have to do is we have to flash some people. We don't want them to remember everything. I remember what occurred yesterday. I'm looking for the flash. I can't find it. Give me a second. I got flash, you know. I still don't remember what going on yesterday. There is a people over here when I sit and put on no glass. That's, you know. I don't want flash, you know. I don't remember too, you know. You know, I don't like how iPhone set, dog. Guess what I don't like how bumbuckler iPhone set, brother. iPhone now give me no chance me can't flash in a light. Cause apparently I feed them phone. Oh, you look like cartel today, so. Oh. Oh. Up to the time. Smear say, what y'all say? What y'all say? Smear say, what y'all say? What y'all say? Most girls love me so. Them kiss, them hug me so. Some say, oh, me ugly so. But I know nothing if some say so. Cause them still want say none. All the dumb say so. Chew me hot like Mexico. When me roll up na the Tiger Mart or the Texaco. Girls say, oh, you're sexy so. Watch her, oh, she a work her lips on the Pepsi so. Me no cowboy from El Chapo. Why your love keep up? And a big girl will help you so. And we don't need help you so. None of my friend not touch man pants. We no help you so. But 19 girl or 20 so. If them two are plenty so. See bad man and a tempi so. When we gun bust plenty so. Brr, brr, elementary so. Me a say, what y'all say? What y'all say? Me a say, what y'all say? Smear say, what y'all say? What y'all say? Anybody girl them the addy the there. Smear say, what y'all say? What y'all say? Bumbo clap. Oh, your love chat dirty so. Like your wine and flirty so. If she sit on me dick 29 minutes after 8, guarantee she a come off 8:30 so. Yeah, also, I know me a be so. What you mean, say me love call your baby so. Wicked slam like Tracy McGrady so. Hey, me and Jam 2 deal with lady so. Cha. Dan, or you wicked so. You get props from DJ Wayne, Calinine and Liquid so. Bumbo clap. Oh, the gun pan you eat big so. They make boy have to jump and a skip like Calypso. Cartel have the business so. Yo. And it's murder. Mads them on there. Me can't take a confusion. Somebody named Star, I confuse me. Me think him not want to be here. No can get him out, please. Somebody named Star. Then say no thanks. I mean that perform for them. Ah, thanks. Yeah, man. Let them go. I mean, if you're found there and you don't like what's occurring, you are free to go. You know what I mean? You are quite free to leave the scene. It's not like you are a part of the team. You get me, answer? And right now, this is the Vibes Cartel version of me talking. You get me? Who do that? I just want to stay here and look amazing. You get me, I say? That's about it. Kels, how me see this man? Kels, me go see this man. Over Tommy trouble. Me see you and Chris is being at the hive over there. I saw the two of you all over there and I was like, but this is nice. You look amazing. Chin, thank you very much. Kels, thank you very much. I know. Over Sashana, yeah. Chris is be did over Tommy trouble. You did over Sashana. Auntie. You are always amazing. Thank you. And I love yo. You see how my head look? My ear look like it trim, though. Yo, you know something I look fucking good if my boss a trim. Can I look like it trim now, I lie? My head look like it trim now, dog. See there? You made a nice of. Sexy Quiche said no. I pray. Nah, nope. For you do it, not me. Yo, somebody just tell me, say. Moderator, black sexy Quiche for me, please. She not agree with my looks. She not agree, say if me trim me, I go look good. Sexy Quiche, you are my friend or you mean me bad? Grass, you couldn't wait till Sexy Quiche tell me if she mean me good or bad. With the shades, you look like cartel. Let me look. Yo, I can't believe they look for my fucking good looks. Look for my good looks, bro. Look for my... Up to the time. World boss. You got them love world boss. Fresh every day and such. When me touch my beer. Yeah, hear me? Why pre? Bumbo clot. Watch me thinking a cartel, for real? So eyeglass, me look so. Go look at work, gunman, be yourself. Me I wait till your big crutches mama occupy you. Me know did I get black in, that's why my answer so quick. About 4 moderator black you one time. You see me? Black that one that two name, that is it. Black a one that two for me, please. I don't tell you no how already, you know. I don't tell you no how already, man. You see me? You see me? So me and mom's a reason, you know. I tell them so me and God's favorite, you know. I tell you. I'm say, yo, me need certain things me I gotta keep up. Me I show you our vibes. Yes, me I say Richard. Yes, me I say. Sometimes I find out that they don't like us. We have to give them more reason not to. And the reason why we give them not to like us is just being on the live every day. You know what I mean? Just a whole reason we don't know. You see me? I look clean like me wash my face with the cake soap. You see me? I'm on a cleanse. You know, I think a lot of things are corrupting my body. You know what I mean? Yes, I think I want to feel clean. I don't want any rum or any weed. I show me can't bother growing a pussy clad skinny and now still, you know. May I get some water? Give me a second. Yo, no bother go no bumbo clot, man. Man can't make a one move off of the gun. Like I'm an artist in the sure. Yo, what the fuck side my shirt? Me bumper ass clad. I mean a fucking hog, man. You know me can't be a pussy blood clot right now. Yo, Jaja. Oh, God damn it. I so. Spenshell, big up your badness. Tacha. I'm so clean and to bad mind I'm a natural disaster. A bag of people sending me some. Move from there. On a black move from there now, please. Ah, thanks. Binds busted and King Donia not have send me request. So me have to lock off my request. I can't play any matches today. Dog them my rates but I can't play now. Brother go write a song. And even I got there for me answer, you see it? And if did that there for me answer your dog. You see me answer, Sexy Tash, as a PBS, what's up? No, me I tell you no. Yo, me I tell you no, you see when you are the shit, you attract the flies. So there's no asking. We are the shit. I am the shit. Big load of shit. So if you notice, I'm attracting a lot of flies. You see me? Public enemy number one. Now for them who they are so cuss and a sitting, then just wish people would have find them interesting enough to screen record them. People find interest where the interest lies. There's no interest lying anywhere around there. If you no interest, I do a standing ovation. It's just standing up. No one really gives a fuck. So if you look at me, you see a big load of shit. Because only the shit bring the flies like these. Like this, you know what I mean? We are the shit. You see me? Okay, so don't get it twisted. At that. I like being this person. You know this me? The black one, you know cuss no. I don't sweat up my clothes, I don't sweat off my nice cologne, I still smell fresh. My face is not sweating. Yesterday them time I was sweating very hard. You see me? Now I'm cool. Fleet Sewell, what's up? Me I watch them man. As they comment, we are gonna see them. As they comment, we are gonna